Hey guys, Mr. Do Stuff here, I think, yeah. Oh, where's my list? I have birds. You would see that on my Awesome Marker 3D4 channel. Is the window open? Yeah. I'm here. They have a nest up there that we bought for them. And the one at the food dish, right there. Right here. Oh. That's here. That's Harry. And the dog outside won't shut up. And that's Melissa. And I know what you're wondering. There's a nest. There has to be eggs. But no, it just see that little white speck right there under my finger. That's an egg. Oh, right, guys? You guys have been busy. Yeah, you know what I mean. And this is ready to fly. Are you gonna fly? Oh. You can't really see them. We have a visual of them. See them? The two eggs. Yeah. Even busy birds. Busy. And that little thing right there hanging off the wall. Cuddlebone, they peck at it. Where's Vanessa? There she is. Well, anyway. Oh yeah, they also have water. Now let's talk about me. You may not know it because I got it yesterday, and I have a disease right there called impetigo. And I'm gonna do this next one so you can see. Yeah, good look at it. And it's contagious, and it sucks because I can't go in my pool. And it spreads, which it has since yesterday. And then it like melts your skin or something, I don't know. It's, yeah, that's it. It's right under my knee. And on this leg, it's, oh my gosh, I saw it earlier. Oh yeah. Here, it looks like it's starting to spread because my knees go like that. Oh no, because I don't touch. And I saw little specks here earlier. These aren't. Well, it could be. I don't know. Just if you have it, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. What's that on my thumb? Marker. All right. And well. Yeah, if you see someone with impetigo and they tell you they have impetigo, don't touch it. It's bad. It is bad. I'm gonna stop doing that. And yeah, well, I got a little update. Bye.